For this demonstration, I've actually routed some multi-channel playback from a separate Digital Audio Workstation system and interface, so we can easily control, hear and record the incoming audio, which is simulating what we'd receive from a group of musicians using the HS5 for a regular jam. Remember, while all of this is being captured in your DAW, the musicians plugged into the HS5 would be monitoring and controlling their own headphone mixes and jamming away as normal without affecting the recording levels, assuming recording levels have been set up correctly to begin with and then are not altered. Like all recording scenarios, we need to set up the gain stage of each incoming signal. We'll start with the singer to begin with. As I don't have a real singer to order around, I'll jump to a part of the song in my source setup where he sings at his loudest and use that as my basis for rolling back the gain so it's not peaking.
Gone too far again. Walk with me. What matters? Are we trying to enjoy the peace and the trust? Don't take this from me. From times like these, people will die. Others walk by. Walk on by. Walk on by.
Next will be the guitar and bass tracks. I'll go through these and set up the recording level for all three channels before we move on to the drums. Finally, we have a stereo feed of the drum kit. As this is coming into the line-only E channel of the HS5, the recording level will actually need to be set at the source. This would be the same if you were feeding the output of the sound module for an electronic drum kit or keyboard synthesizer to this channel. The volume control on the sound module, keyboard or external mixer itself in this case will determine the recording level. Okay, so it looks like my virtual band is ready to go. I'll now record arm all my tracks in the Audio Workstation application and hit record. Note that shift-clicking to select multiple tracks in Studio One allows me to apply the record arm to all of them at once. Remember, if the band wants to do a different song, you can save this one, then start a new one with your saved song template and be ready to go again in seconds. That's all for this tutorial. If you like what we do at musicednet.com and would like to help us fund more educational content like this, please consider becoming an EdNet Hub member via the link on screen. If your school would like to purchase a Roland HS5 or you have any other music technology needs, please get in touch with us today via the contact info on screen.
Walk with me, see where it leads.